Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a free AI tool which will help you to generate the subtitles, the captions, which are nowadays used in Instagram Reels and everywhere. So it is very tedious task to manually generate those kind of captions or subtitles. So I'm going to provide a free app that you can use on your mobile phone as well, so that you can just use it and literally you can download and start using it. So this is the application, and you just need to go to App Store and download it. And once you download it, this will be the screen. So it will ask you to add your video. So it's time to caption your first video. So when you click on add button, it will ask you to choose a video from your existing gallery, or you can also record the video. So I will, for a test purpose, I will just record video. Yes, I will allow it. So yeah, I can just record the video. Hello everyone. So I'm just trying this video so as to see that if it really generates the caption and whether the captions are accurate or not. So thank you for watching this video. Let's see how it generates the caption. I will select the language as English. Okay, I can also select Hindi, Gujarati. So multiple Indian languages are already included. So it's a very great thing. So currently my selection is English US, and I will. So let me see that if English India is available or not. So no, so that's okay, but we are good to go. So I will click on add captions. So it is generating captions, and it is requesting to not close the app and do not lock the screen. Yeah, so I think it is generated. It really generates the caption. Yeah, so everything works. I think they are accurate. So there are some options that I can also format something. Okay, so it's original, the aspect ratio is correct. Let us try on effects. Okay, so I can also use this yellow kind of text. The font can be also changed. Yeah, so let us just try any random. I cannot see any dynamic fonts. Okay, so let us just randomly try anyone like this one. Okay, and the color is yellow. Okay, so alignment and size also we can change it. Okay, that's a great thing. It is saying decorations. Okay, I can also like bold, italic, and underline. Okay, so I can also change the cases as well. So that's a very good thing. Okay, is there an effect? Yeah, so there are many effects also available. So I will just select any one, and in animation I will select this one. Okay, so done. I think we are good to go. Let us just replay the video. Yes, so it has literally changed and it's working. Yeah, so definitely I will click on this particular button, that is blue tick mark, and I can just share it. So it is preparing the video. It is requesting to please keep this app open whilst this is in progress. So yeah, it is done, and I can just save this video to my gallery, and it is asking me for the access, and yes, so done. It is saved in my gallery. I can also share it on a social media platform anywhere. So it is free of cost. Definitely you can use it, and this is a very good way if you are someone who is creating reels and you are using some captions. So yeah, this is a free app. You can utilize it. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more AI tools like this, please join our 2 hours workshop in which we are covering many such AI tools. So link is in description. Thank you very much.